In this series, we've been creating interactive Python quizzes for school studying, all powered by AI and built right on my Raspberry Pi. So far, we've created quizzes for basic math, algebra, and order of operations. Today, we're switching gears from numbers to geography. My name is Caroline, and I'm going to show you how to create a U.S. state capitals quiz using Copilot to generate the questions and build the code. This is a great project for students memorizing state capitals, beginners learning Python, or anyone curious about how AI can help with real learning projects. We'll walk through how to use Copilot to suggest quiz structure, state capital pairs, and even feedback logic. As always, I'm using my Raspberry Pi for this project, but you could follow along on any computer that runs Python. If you're brand new to Raspberry Pi, I've linked my setup guide in the description. And if you just want to grab the final script, you'll find it on my GitHub, also linked in the description. Now let's dive in and build a geography quiz. And as I usually do, we are starting with the default desktop of my Raspberry Pi. We're going to open up a web browser, which I've already done. We are using Chromium as our web browser. You could really use whatever you want. You want to go to copilot.microsoft.com, and I've already signed in. This is a free account on Copilot, and let's get started here. And I'm going to write a Python quiz game testing state capitals. And let's see how that goes. Here's a Python quiz game that tests knowledge of US state capitals. Came up with the list of state capitals, hit copy. And let's go over to our Raspberry, mouse over programming. I'm going to use Genie, and I'm going to right click, paste. Now I need to save. And I'm going to save this as state-capitals.py, enter. Oh, and it only gave me the first couple of states. Okay, but let's just go with this. And I'm going to hit run. Welcome to State Capitals Quiz. What is the capital of Colorado? Denver. I'm going to type in Denver, enter. Correct. What is the capital of Arkansas? Little Rock. Excellent. State capital of Alabama. It is Montgomery, but let's get it wrong to see how it goes. Nope, the capital is Montgomery. What is the capital of Alabama? Montgomery. Correct. And it just kind of keeps on asking the same questions over and over again. Little Rock. I guess there's just so few. Okay, and it says I got 4 out of 5 correct. All right, let's see if we can expand this a bit. First, I'm going to say add all states. Now it's added all 50 states. And the other part that I find is weird, and I think this is specific to the Raspberry Pi, is that it adds these weird characters that don't seem to come out either, so we need to delete those. Add a GUI for Raspberry Pi, remove special characters that don't render on a Raspberry Pi. Submit. And here we go. We have all 50 states, and now it's creating a GUI. Now I'm going to hit copy. Now I'm going over to Genie. I'm starting a new file. Right-click, paste. Save, and I'm going to name this file state-capitals-GUI, enter, and let's run it. What is the capital of Michigan? Wrong, it's Lansing. What's the capital of Oregon? I don't know. I'm going to hit Portland, see what happens. No, it's Salem. Capital of West Virginia. It's Charleston. What's the capital of Massachusetts? Boston. Capital of Wyoming? Cheyenne. I don't think it's Cheyenne. Oh, it is Cheyenne. Okay, I scored 2 out of 5. Actually remembering and typing in and memorizing all the state capitals. Wow, I haven't done that in a long time, but that was kind of hard. What if we went back, modify to a multiple choice quiz where the wrong answers are other cities in the state? Let's see if it can do that. I can see it only has 5 states, so all states, enter. Go, it's adding all the states. You can plug this dictionary straight into the earlier version. Okay, so it wants me to use the original code. So I'm gonna hit copy, go back to Genie, start a new file, right-click paste, and then I'm gonna go back, and now I've gotta get the new database, plug this dictionary straight into what we had before, hit copy. I'm gonna replace everything in the top, right-click paste, and I'm gonna save. Now I'm gonna save this file, state-capitals-GUI-multiplechoice.py. enter, save. Let's see if this works. Run the file. What is the capital of Montana? Billings? No, it's Helena. What is the capital of Arkansas? Little Rock. Correct. Nebraska. Lincoln, Nebraska. I learned that the last time. Correct. New Hampshire. I'm gonna go with Concord. Correct. And then I just learned that Lansing is the capital of Michigan. Correct. I scored 4 out of 5. And that's it. Your U.S. state capitals quiz is ready to go. You've seen how easy it is to use Copilot to generate the core logic, fill in all 50 state capital pairs, and build a fun educational project using Python. Whether you're learning geography, practicing coding, or exploring how AI can support your learning, this is a great project that blends all three. The full Python code is available on my GitHub, linked in the description, along with other videos in the series. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and let me know in the comments what quiz or subject you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.